How to stop receiving email notifications from Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, you want to click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on settings. And here you want to click on notifications. And from the other notification types section at the bottom, click on email notifications. And here you will be able to turn off and disable the notifications that you will get from Instagram on your email. And you can do this by clicking on the toggle next to each notification to turn it off. You can turn off some of them while leaving the others on depending on what you need, or you can just turn all of them off so that you don't get any notifications from Instagram on your email. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can stop and disable the email notifications of Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.